Hello friends, this video on Algebra part 15 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. So let's look at some riddles now. So based on the algebra what we have learned in this lesson. Who am I? For each day of the week, make an up count for me. So how many days are there in a week? 7 days. So every day you increase me by 1. Up count means you increase me by 1 every day. If you make no mistake, you will get 23. Okay, so you are given a number. Now, we don't know what is that number. So let us assume that this I or this unknown number is X. So if you are given X and if you upcount X every day in a week, that means on Sunday it is X, on Monday it becomes X plus 1, on Tuesday it becomes X plus 2, on Wednesday it becomes X plus 3. So in total 7 days, it becomes X plus 7. So over a week's time, it becomes X plus 7. So if you have made no mistake, that means if you have increased it by 1 every day throughout the week, then what will you get at the end of the week? X plus 7. So that X plus 7 is nothing but 23. Right, so X plus 7 is equal to 23. This is the algebraic equation that you can form looking at the question. So by understanding the question, you can form this algebraic equation. Now, can you solve this equation? You'll have to find the value of X. So what will be the value of X? Let's move the constants to this side. So plus 7 will become minus 7. So 23 minus 7 is 16. Therefore, X is equal to 16. So I is nothing but 16. So now you think of number 16 and if you keep increasing one number every day in the week, so after 1 week it becomes 23. Let's look at the next one. Tell me who I am. I shall give a pretty clue. You will get me back if you take me out of 22. So please read this very carefully. You will get me back if you take me out of 22. So let us say that let this unknown number I be X. So we will get the same number back because it says you will get me back. So that means you will get back X if you take out X from 22. That means if you subtract X from 22, you will get X. Because this X is I, that is me. So it says you will get me back. That means you will get X if you take X out of 22. If you take out X out of 22, that is if you subtract X from 22. So now look, this is the algebraic equation that you form looking at the question. Can you solve this equation for X? You will have to find the value of X. Now what did I tell you? You need to collect all the variables on one side and all the constants on the other side. So in this case, the constant is 22 and variable is X. So you have one X on one side and the other X on the other side. So let's try to shift this X to this side. So what happens when this X moves to this side? It becomes plus X. So 22 is equal to 1X plus 1X, that is 2X. So now what will happen? Let's shift this 2 to this side. So this becomes, this 2 was 2 into X. So this time it will become 22 divided by 2 is equal to X. So 22 by 2 is equal to X. Therefore, X is equal to, this is 2 11s are 22. So X is equal to 11. Therefore, this unknown number or I is nothing but 11. So you see, these are beautiful. So you can solve a lot of beautiful riddles using this concept of algebra. So I hope that this basic ideas on algebra is clear to you. The most important thing that you should understand at this level is why are we studying algebra and where do we use them. Also try to solve simple equations of algebra. Try to form equations of algebra. That is more important. Like you are given a statement, understand the statement properly and try to form the algebraic expression for it. And that's going to help you in understanding. So I hope this lesson would have helped you. See you all in the next lesson. Thank you. Please visit examfear.com for free quality education. You can learn with a simple 4-step learning process wherein you can watch video lessons, you can ask your questions, you can refer notes, and you can take a free online test. We have content for class 6 to 12 on physics, chemistry, mathematics, and biology along with practical videos. So please subscribe to our channel for daily updates. Thank you.